Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to find connected apps on Facebook. In today's digital age, it's crucial to keep track of which apps and websites have access to your Facebook account. This not only helps you manage your privacy, but also ensures that your personal information is secure. To start, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Facebook home screen. Now, let's navigate to the settings. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the menu, where you can access various Facebook features. Scroll down this menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option, and then select Settings from the list. You'll now be on the Settings and Privacy screen, where you can manage different aspects of your Facebook account. To find the connected apps, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Apps and Websites. Tap on this to view a list of all the apps and websites that are currently connected to your Facebook account. If you want to see more details or manage these connections, tap See More. On this screen, you'll see a comprehensive list of apps and websites that have access to your Facebook data. You can review each one to understand what information they have access to and decide whether you want to continue sharing that information. If you find an app or website that you no longer use, you can easily remove it by tapping on it and selecting the Remove option. Regularly reviewing these connections is important for maintaining your online privacy. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that only the apps and websites you trust have access to your Facebook account. This helps protect your personal data and keeps your online presence secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.